In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Figma designs to Shopify in the year 2025, seamlessly integrating your creative visions into your online store. This tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring you grasp every detail necessary for a smooth transition. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Figma website. Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool that enables you to create dynamic designs. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to set one up to access your design files, but I'm going to assume you already have one for this tutorial. Simply click the login button located at the top right corner of your screen and enter your credentials to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage where all your recent projects are displayed. Look for the project that you want to transfer to Shopify. Here you'll see various options. What you need to do next is head over to the design section. This is usually found in the sidebar or main menu area depending on your app configuration, and it houses all the design files you've created or have access to. Navigate to the specific design file you're planning to export. You can do this by locating and clicking on File in the Figma interface. The File menu is pivotal as it allows you to manage and review your file details, which is crucial before exporting. Once you are on the right design file, it's time to export the assets you need. Find the export option, often represented in the menu or toolbar, and click on it. Exporting your assets from Figma is a critical step. It prepares your designs in the correct format for Shopify, and you may need to choose from different file types like PNG, SVG, or JPEG, depending on what you've used in your design elements. Once your assets are exported, you're ready to import them into Shopify. Though the specifics of the Shopify import process will vary based on your theme and customization requirements, generally you'll want to upload your assets to the Shopify server and incorporate them into your product or page layout. Make sure to use the theme editor in Shopify and integrate your design assets in a way that reflects the original Figma design as closely as possible. Being precise here ensures that your store not only looks professional but also remains true to your creative vision. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to copy design elements from Figma and prepare them for use in your Shopify store. Thank you for joining the tutorial today. I hope you found it detailed and helpful, giving you the confidence to implement your designs with ease. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out.